blood in shit is cancer. Look, blood in your poo can be a sign of cancer, but there are lots of other much more likely causes for the blood in the poo. For example, things like hemorrhoids or piles, which can often be caused by constipation. There can be anal fissures, which are small tears around the anus, which are usually caused by things like constipation. There can be inflammatory bowel disease, so Crohn's or ulcerative colitis. Even things like gastroenteritis, so tummy bugs and other infections or inflammations of the bowel can lead to blood. However, if something like this does happen to you, it's important to get checked out because we can investigate, we can take a history, we can examine you, we might be able to see the cause of the bleeding, or we might say that we need to do some investigations. And investigations might be a poo sample, blood test, possibly, if we're concerned, even referring you on for something like a colonoscopy or a sigmoidoscopy or something like that to really try and determine what the cause of the bleeding could be. In summary, yes, blood can be a sign of cancer. In reality, there are so many other variables and factors at play which determine the likelihood of whether or not blood in the poo is a sign of cancer. And the only way we can do that is if you go and seek medical help and we can take a history, examine you, and investigate.